Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we're going to get into this look that I'm currently rocking. So today we're featuring Asteria hair. Big shout out to Asteria hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a 22-inch 13x4 balayage wig. This has blonde highlights. I have done something similar to this, but this one is in the body wave. We've never done this in the body wave texture. For this install, I decided to highlight the waves because it did come in a really cute curl pattern. The hair was curled beautifully, but of course I had to bleach the knots, so I wasn't able to keep those curls, so I tried to recreate them as best as I could. So prior to this video, I did bleach the knots. I actually didn't have to do any customization for this unit, which I think they did a phenomenal job when it comes to the hairline, because I had to do no work as far as tweezing. So I have this in a 22-inch. On the website you can get a 16, a 20, 22, or a 24. They also have this available on a 5x5 as well as a 13x4. So if you're not into frontals, you could do a closure, and if you're not into closures, you could do a frontal. So this hair is super thick. This is 180 density, and this is also a transparent lace. So I forgot to use my lace tint prior to this install. I used some makeup, and that helped blend the lace. The hair holds a really good curl. Of course, I used a wand curl, so it's giving a loose effect, and I wanted to go for that beachy wave look. So that's what we did. But if you wanted to curl this and get some really tight curls, it would definitely hold the curl, but I always suggest to try like a pin curl, or you definitely want to make sure that your curl has cooled down before you let it drop, because that's how you get that full effect, you know? So all the details for this unit will be down in the description box. I know that their curly hair is really good. They have top tier curly hair. Absolutely love it. Shout out to Asteria for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching today's video. If I forgot to mention anything, you could ask down in the comments. But yeah, that's about it. So I will see you beauties in the next video.